Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data analytics from Microsoft. We will begin by understanding the foundational concepts of data analytics, which are crucial for any aspiring analyst. Then, we will dive into the comprehensive learning resources Microsoft offers, guiding you through a clear path to skill development. This journey will equip you with the knowledge to effectively utilize powerful Microsoft tools for data analysis. Let's explore the essential Microsoft tools that will be at your fingertips. Power BI is a cornerstone, allowing you to build dynamic, insightful dashboards and reports. Excel remains incredibly powerful for data cleaning, transformation, and initial analysis. For more robust data management and querying, understanding SQL Server is absolutely vital. These three tools form a strong foundation for any data professional. Microsoft provides excellent structured learning paths on its Microsoft Learn platform. These paths guide you step by step through various topics. Consider pursuing certifications, such as the Power BI Data Analyst Associate, to validate your expertise. These credentials demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Remember, practical experience through projects is just as important as theoretical knowledge. Now, it's time to apply your newly acquired analytics skills. Actively seek out real-world datasets and case studies to practice your techniques. Engaging with online communities and forums can provide invaluable support and networking opportunities. Data analytics is an evolving field, so commit to continuously updating your skills and exploring new features to stay ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.